Here's how I get the clothes in here, ready for my wife to fold them. This is Paul. I'm going to take the clothes out of the dryer now and put it in the basket. And here's my string for I can drag the basket.
So you want to talk about what you did there with your string?
I got somebody to help me tie a string on there so I can get the clothes back and forth. Sometimes I can carry them, sometimes I can't. So I gotta drag it, go all the way through the house. And I bring them over here and I usually get them up one hand. Here's how I get the clothes in here, ready for my wife to fold them. And that's it for today. Bye. Thanks for watching.